9 years ago, I was deep in the corporate grind, working long hours at a hedge fund. Seeking a physical outlet, I tried a yoga class on a whim and fell in love with what it brought me mentally and physically. I've been practicing regularly ever since, later becoming a certified yoga instructor and competing in yoga championships. But in 2016, I started noticing a shift in my yoga practice. My strength wasn't there, my joints hurt, and I was battling extreme exhaustion. My health rapidly declined. I struggled to recognize familiar faces, was losing my hair, and could barely walk on my own. After endless tests, I was finally diagnosed with lupus. I was devastated. But as I began recovery, it was my yoga practice, the first thing my lupus took from me, that kept me moving, gave me zen, and helped me find my strength once again. Now I'm teaching classes full-time and get to watch as yoga transforms others' lives too.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow, that is incredible. And lupus is one of those things, I feel like it takes forever to be diagnosed. So how are you feeling now?
It ebbs and flows. Recently, I was having some issues with my kidneys personally and was dealing with extreme fatigue, inflammation, joint pain.
Do you find yoga helps you through some of that stuff?
Absolutely. It helps me every single day.
Wow.
Helps me regulate and boost my immune system. And it just lets me know what's going on with my body. It's really helped me to cultivate a deeper self-awareness.
Yeah.
So when something is off, I know right away.
We were watching you in that video, like you do some moves that no one here can do. And I think for a lot of folks who are watching, yoga can be intimidating, I think, for a lot of folks. Basic yoga moves, how can those impact your health positively?
Definitely, there's a move and a modification for everyone at any age. It helps with flexibility, strength, mobility, digestion, posture. My father could speak to that very specifically. And just helps with better sleep, energizing
things.
Well, there's all sorts of benefits.
With that said, let's just do a couple for people.
I can't touch my toes, so...
It's a journey.
That's
it's a journey.
That's not
I know, so it's a start.
Okay.
So we'll start in Warrior 2. So open your feet about 3 to 4 feet apart, depending on your height. Knee directly over your ankle and just arms parallel to the floor. So you're really working your shoulders here, you're working your hips, your core is engaged. Looking good, everyone. Firm that back leg. And then we'll pull it into a triangle. So straighten your front leg, bring your hand down on your shin, and reach your left arm up towards the ceiling.
It does feel good.
It does.
It does. So just lift up your kneecaps, engage your glutes. And again, you're working the hips here and stimulating your organs.
The music's a nice touch, too.
Inhale to come back up. And let's come down onto the floor. And we'll take a baby cobra. So this you'll find in a vinyasa flow. So hands underneath your shoulders.
Have a microphone.
Pull your elbows in. Press the tops of your feet down. You really want to work your legs here. And just lift your head, chin, chest, and shoulders up. Exactly. This pose can go a lot deeper, but here we're opening up the heart center and strengthening the spine.
We're like, oh, we want to open our hearts. Good.
And this last one you've got really opens up the chest, right? Or is it,
Almost. We're not quite there yet.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Tuck your back toes.
Process.
And we'll take a modified downward facing dog. So just bend your knees. And actually, Craig, walk your feet in a little bit. Chanel, Dylan, looking good over there. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
So
Coach.
push the floor away and just let your head and neck relax. So this is relieving stress. We're opening up the spine.
Is it though?
This feels so nice.
I'll hold this for like 5 minutes and feel
Really?
like a whole
5
new
minutes?
human being. Yeah.
Even though your head
How you
feels
doing
like
over
it's
there?
going to
I'm like ready to do
That's
the
the
next.
relaxation part.
Okay, we're done.
And slowly make your way to standing. Oh, it's
That was nice.
Oh, that was good.
relaxing.
So, okay.
We just did that every morning.
Right?
I think that we'd start the show.
even like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Will make a huge difference.
Victoria,
It
thank
was
you so
nice
much.
to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
What a
We
great
were so
story.
calm. We were a little
Good.
frazzled before. All right. If you want to join our Start Today program, just scan the QR code that's below on your screen there and head to today.com/health. And don't forget to join our Start Today Facebook group. There's some community and some motivation that'll help you through it.
Thank
All right.
you.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.